Hey guys, a very good morning to you all. So today I was doing my upper body exercise and the quote which I've written for today is that success is like an alarm clock. It rings periodically to wake us up and go work for our dream. But when we copy others and discriminate with the standards of some other work, we set it up to periodically snooze away whenever there's time to work for the win. So what I want to say is that no work is high or low, and if we go against this, we lower our standard of working and winning, as the standard of work always remains constant. So level up your thinking and your hard work and not differentiate the standards of work, as nothing like that exists. So do remember this, keep exercising, keep smiling, be happy and be fit. Have a good day.